Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel AutoWorld USA, the place where true car enthusiasts come together to witness the power, design, and thrill of the world's most exciting rides. Before we jump into today's beast, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our community for the best car reviews, performance breakdowns, and real-world features. Your support helps us bring more exclusive content right to your screen. Today, we're talking about something that screams American muscle louder than ever before, the new 2026 Shelby GT500 Rolling. Snake, this is not just a car, it's an adrenaline-pumping machine that blends raw V8 power with modern engineering. The GT500 has always stood as the ultimate performance icon in the Mustang lineup, and the 2026 model raises that legacy to a new level. From its striking design to its monstrous engine, this car is built to dominate both streets and tracks. The first thing that grabs your attention is its muscular body with aggressive lines, wide fenders, and aerodynamic styling that speaks pure speed. The redesigned front fascia now features a larger air intake, a sleeker hood with dual heat extractors, and the signature Shelby Cobra badge sitting proudly in the center. The LED lighting setup enhances visibility while giving it a fierce, futuristic look. Rolling on massive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, this car demands respect even when standing still. Under the hood, the 2026 Shelby GT500 continues the legacy of brute force. It packs a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8 engine pushing an estimated 820 horsepower and 670 pound-feet of torque. That power is delivered through a refined 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and maximum control. The engineers at Ford Performance have fine-tuned every component to achieve a balance between ferocity and drivability. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest muscle cars ever produced. When it comes to sound, the Shelby GT500 is a symphony of aggression. The active valve performance exhaust system produces a roar that sends chills down your spine every time you hit the throttle. Whether it's idling at a stoplight or screaming down a straightaway, the exhaust note alone reminds everyone nearby that this is no ordinary car. The suspension setup, featuring MagneRide adaptive dampers, keeps the ride composed and sharp, whether you're cruising the highway or carving corners on the track. Inside, the 2026 Shelby GT500 mixes track-ready performance with comfort and technology. The cabin features Recaro sport seats with premium leather and suede inserts, providing perfect support for both high-speed maneuvers and long drives. The flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters gives you race-level control, while the digital instrument cluster displays all the crucial performance data in real time. The 13.2-inch SINC4